Welcome to the CryptoBots Ninja family. Let's kind of look at JASMY. So last time I looked at that, I think we were sitting around mid fives, maybe low fives. I said the next support was 471. You did get a touch of that support on the 5 minute chart. I probably should zoom out to at least a 15-minute chart. You did get a touch of that zone at 471. You actually breached it for a while. This new indicator I'm trying out did say there was support at 4.4. You got the bounce there. I actually had my support at 4.34, but pretty close if you really think about it. Within like a tenth of a penny. But so that's kind of what we're looking at right now. My support, like I said, you could come down to 435 if you don't hold that level. On the macro time frame, 359 is the next step. That'd be a big drop from there to the upside right now. You are back above this 4.7 support. You actually then went up and touched the next resistance at 4.95. So right now you kind of range bound between 4.71 and 4.93. Very tight range. But that's kind of what we're looking at right now for JASMY. Nothing crazy. Let's start on the daily chart and work our way down. So daily chart is saying, at least on the stock RSI, that we are due for a pump. Um, I actually had this salmon cup and handle, right? There's your cup, and here's the handle. That actually played out beautifully. Now, I did have my measure move up to 9.1. You did not get that high, but you did kind of start going up to the upside. So that's somewhat played out, not perfectly. But short term on the daily chart, you are looking for a bounce just based off the stock RSI, and you're kind of sitting on support. Now, the 4-hour chart is extremely bearish. You're overbought already, and you got almost no move to the upside. So that is not what I like to see on the 4-hour chart. I'm looking for more downside. That would suggest what's going to happen on the 4-hour chart. But let's go to the 1-hour chart next. 1-hour chart is overbought. It was overbought coming to the downside. 1-hour chart again suggests you're going to make a move lower. Now the 15-minute chart. Let's just kind of look really quickly. 15-minute chart made a higher low, but then it made a lower high. So that's obviously not a good sign. If you just want to do something like this, it would be pretty easy to say that you're in some sort. Let me zoom out a little bit. I would say that's a symmetrical triangle. They usually, they break up and down 50% of the time. To me, that is definitely not a bullish pattern, in my humble opinion. At least that's not what the statistics would say. 50-50 chance you break up or down. The measure move would be from the top of the most recent wick to the bottom of the last wick. So the measure move to the upside would be a nice move back to 5.5. But if you were to go to the downside, which is a real possibility because I know it's getting I heard it's getting delisted on Binance. That would take you down to 4.0. And then your next support would probably suggest 3.6 as the next stop. So to me right now, I would be pretty cautious on JASMY. I would take a breakout trade if it broke 4.93, and then also you could take a breakout trade if it broke 4.7 to at least 4.34, and then your measure moves 4.0, I should say. But if you get to 4.0, then I don't have a support till 3.6. So to me, overall, I would be looking for more downside on JASMY unless you break 4.9. You could just say 5. If you break 5, then you could see you could look for a breakout. But unless you break 5, it's bearish, in my opinion. If you guys enjoyed this update, please should be hit the like, subscribe, share this video with your friends so they can stay up to date on crypto. I'll see you guys on the live stream here in 40 minutes for when I post this video at 3 p.m. Central Time. See you then. And I also go live on Mondays at 3 p.m. Central Time, 8 p.m. Central Time on Mondays.